I had to change the hydraulic filter, right, on the hydraulics.
Yep.
I know I've got a filter wrench somewhere. I just can't find it.
No, not our filter wrench. We used to borrow it.
No, I had one. Oh. I remember Ryan and I had this discussion a lot, and I think...
Ryan's probably got it.
No,
We've got everything else.
Yeah, I know.
No, he hasn't. Rick, he's got some things.
God, this boat is a torn out mess, isn't it? At the moment, all I need is a simple oil wrench. Oh! It fell out.
What?
I just went to the filter box to get the filter and dragged the Lumar stuff out, and there it is. Okay, let's go do this. Right. See, Ryan didn't nick this on me. Right, I believe I've loosened it. I don't know whether you noticed or not, but we run a lot on hydraulics in our boat. So, main furler, anchor winch, Genoa furler, and backstay. Right. Really is nice and clean. But we didn't know, it's been operating with us over 18 months. We don't know when it was last serviced. I'd suspect 3-4 years ago.
Oh.
Who called me Papa Smurf? Somebody called me Papa Smurf.
When you had the big... Oh, Ryan and Brittany.
Ryan and Brittany called me Papa Smurf. Now I am Papa Smurf. Yeah, I went to the chandlery store. I went in there not knowing what I looked like. And they said, "Look at you." And I did not know.
Yeah. Okay, better have a shower before he goes to bed tonight, don't you think?
As a matter of fact, who's been doing the work and who hasn't?
I've been working all day on bookwork.
Bookwork, when we're on the heart.
This morning, Vic got a notice when he was reading his Daily Mail to go and collect.
Come on, Lou, I want to open it.
Go and collect his Iridium Go. And here he is. Like, he didn't wait, did you?
No, I want it. It's not very big.
Oh, do you reckon that's it? It's a big box for just that.
Yeah, it's battery, spare battery. We've got a spare battery.
Okay, I think they think we're idiots as it is, Rick.
Alright. And
we're on the hard at the moment, and so the place is a mess, but no, Rick needs to open this now.
3 SIM cards.
Woo!
And this is Iridium Go. Now, this is not an ad for Iridium Go.
Because this is not sponsored.
Because it's not sponsored. This is cold, hard cash that paid for this.
Well, actually,
and there it is. That's it. Look, your very own global cell tower. That's it.
So now
that's all it is.
It's good, isn't it? Nice and neat.
But that's the aerial. Alrighty.
Get to reading.
Get to reading.
Because what's wind blowing outside, Rick?
Oh, it's over 40.
Over 40. Because, you know, we're on the hard, it's over 40, and we're meant to paint today, so we won't be doing the painting.
No, we'll be
One windy day. You mean through here, Rick?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll try and get this off.
Okay.
These aren't serious.
What's good like?
Watch as it goes in. Keep watching. That's the hollow bit in the middle. That's how far in it is.
Yeah. Cool. He did us a favour. You did us a favour getting it that size in the end, didn't you? Really?
Yeah, it's better. Way better.
What on?
Sneeze. Sneeze a mask.
I'm sure Ryan's boat was up higher than ours.
Yeah.
Good morning. I'm sorry I'm a bit late for work.
Lacquer.
Oh, well.
Oh well. Sanded that back.
Yes.
Re-epoxied it.
Yeah.
Just doing another batch.
How's it go last night? Did it set?
Yeah, beautifully.
Okay.
I've just epoxied that one up there that you found that.
Yep.
And then I'm getting a lovely shape into the corner here.
Good. Little Mr. Sculptor, huh? Wait.
Watch it.
You ready for work? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting some beautiful shapes into this, which will be good. Look at that.
Oh, that's coming along well.
Yes, it is. Dedication to the job. Hey, Louie. She's dedicated, I'll give her that much. I tell you, 47-foot boats are fabulous to sail, absolutely great. But gee whiz, when they're on the hard, oh man, your muscles feel every inch. What broke my heart? I'll show you. Rudder. I've just been doing some epoxy puttying. Down we go. Have a captain cook at that. There's water in my rudder. Bummer, bummer, bummer. So, drain it with a drill it. I'm going to drill it, drain it, and hopefully the problem's only minor because they're only little drips. But we'll see when we get the drill in there, eh? I'll try and set it up so you can watch it. That looks about good.
What have you found?
Water. Look at it all.
What's that mean?
Water's in the rudder. Can you see it all piddling out? Oh, that's good. It's telling me that it's a bit more localized, so it's not the whole rudder. Well, it is the whole rudder, but it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So we'll just have to let that drain. Been working out down in here, down in the black hole, trying to get to our refrigeration pumps and seawater pumps. And every time I get up, it's slightly a bit oily down there, not a lot, but a little bit. We had these nappies on board to clean up the oil when we first got the boat, and now I'm using them as slippers so that I don't walk around the boat. I bet that makes the video, me wearing nappies for slippers. Dork.
Take a step back, look around. I'm going round in circles with my feet back on the ground. Feel the warm sun on my skin. The world's so big, so much to see. It's a good day to begin. Day to begin.